you're experiencing issues with the AFC25 update getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and optimize the process. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough to download updates. You can test your connection speed and reset your router if necessary. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your gaming device can resolve update issues. Turn off your console or PC completely, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on. Step 3. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help eliminate any corrupted data that may be causing the update to stall. On consoles, this usually involves holding down the power button until the device shuts down, then unplugging it for a few minutes before restarting. Step 4. Check for system updates. Make sure your gaming device is running the latest system software. Go to the settings menu and check for any available updates for your console or PC. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the update continues to be stuck, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can help ensure that you have the latest version and can resolve any issues with the current installation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the update getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.